Hi and welcome in this new video. Do you own a business? Do you own an e-commerce shop, or do you sell some sort of product? So this video is for you. Make sure to watch until the end to know the last bonus that I have for you. But let's go straight in this video that I wanna show you a lot of ways on exactly 6 ways plus one bonus on how you can sell your products. Offers and different types of selling depend what's your product, the cost of your product, and the way that you sell your product. So I want to make sure that you find one of these at least that it goes right for you, but we can start to the list. The first is buy X and get another object. For example, do you buy this tripod on my website, and buying this you get this pen for free. This is really good to make a good offer to increase the product of the first item, because if before you sell this to $10 and this for maybe other $10, you can combine and you can say, okay, I will sell you this with this at just $18. So the person see that this is an offer, a really good offer, and they will buy it. You can do the same thing but the second it's free. For example, you pay this $20 and this is for free, or this is 25 and the pen it's for free, so you have more profit and more margin for your product. It's really important to create the right combination between two products. They have to be in some way correlated, because it has no sense sell a tripod with a pen. You should maybe use the tripod with the free cover, and maybe the cover the cover alone it's $5. So this for me is a great way to sell your service, because you give more value for pretty much less price, because people will see other tripod at the same price, but you will also give another object and another feature to this product. The second point, sorry, as I said, is 2. The third point is a simple percentage or price discount. This is really important. Do you know when you use the percentage and the price? Because this is important for your clients. For example, if you have a $10 product and you cut $3, it's really better say that there is 30% off on this item. But if you are maybe selling a $1,000 product and you cut $300, it's better say $300 off on this price on this item. So there is a rule that it's at $100 and up you use the number of the money discounted, and in $100 and down until $0 or $1 you use the percentage. So the person that see the offer see that the value it's bigger than what it is really. So this is a good marketing offer for your products. The next point is pay one and get two. You can do, as I said, the same offer with the tripod. You can create two of these. Maybe this it has not much sense to sell two of these or two books. It's really better maybe for something that you need recurrently. For example, a bottle of water, you pay one and you get two. Naturally, the price of the first one should be a little bit increased because If it's not this, you will lose money, and we don't want to lose money. So it's important to create the right price, not too high, but the right price that people can see and can see that this is a really good offer. The next point is you probably have seen this a lot online, and maybe I will give you a secret, a new point of view, and it's that the product is free, you just pay the shipping and handling. So on this business model, on this discount, the owner of the shop will earn money. Maybe, for example, if the product is $3 and normally the shipping it's other $3, the total is $6. And what they do, they simply charge 0 for the product, so it's free, and then $6 or $7 or $10 for the shipping. And this it's really good for marketing, because a lot of people want free product. They just think, okay, it makes sense, I just need to pay the shipping. But remember, when you pay the price of the shipping, it's also included the price of the product. So you should try to create this for your products. It depends of what type of product do you sell, of course, because it has no sense to do it with an $100 product. You can do it with products between $0 and $10. You can do it, but if the price of the product is too high, you cannot charge $100 for the shipping and have the free item. So pay attention to these details. Try to create a good offer. You probably have seen this online and not offline, because this type of offers are used just online and on items that they need shipping. Another point, it can be free shipping of your item and your products, because a lot of people like free shipping, and they hate paid for the shipping. So you simply include the $3 or $5 of the shipping in the cost of the product. So your client see that you have the free shipping worldwide, but they already paid for the shipping on the product that they've bought. So another point is give a free trial of your offer. This can be, it has two sides, the good one and the bad one. The good side is that a lot of people will try your service, and if you have a great service of product, they will keep paying. Like Netflix, I have created Netflix for 1 month, my free trial, and now I pay Netflix every month. But there are also the downside. There are two downsides. One is that some people, you know, they don't want to pay for anything. So for example, in Netflix they create 1,000 emails to get every time the free trial and don't pay nothing. And this can happen also with your products or service. But the second point is that if the client has the habit that okay, I have this service for free, but then after a month of using it for free I should pay, the client doesn't like this, because it said before I can use it for free and now I should pay for the same value. And maybe this is not the best thing. You should try to test, and as I said before, every offer is different for your business, because I sell website and social media services. You can sell physical products or consulting. Everybody is different. And then now we are on the last point, the bonus tip, that is create a free consulting. This is really important, has worked for me, for my first client. Just create a scenario. You are a car expert, and you see that a company has 5 cars that they use every day for their clients. Okay, you can watch at the type of car, the cost, calculate an average of consume of gas and miles, and then you come up with a solution. For example, you can tell them, if you take this type of cars that maybe they are hybrid, you can reduce your cost of $1,000 a month, or something like this, and the client will really appreciate your effort and your offer, because from nothing you come out with a great offer that will help them to save money. Or for example, in my situation, I can create a little website and then send it to a potential client and tell, so watch this website I created for you. If you like it, we can sit down and speak together about the website, and then I can create a custom version exactly how you want it can be. So this was the video on how to create good offers and incredible offers for your company and your business. Give a thumbs up on this video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next one.